Guys, we're back with another video. Like we are doing a duo, me and Adrit. Just start. They both went offline. Both of them are offline.
Hey, not Kalahari. Not Kalahari. Put Bermuda. Okay, wait. Kalahari is okay.
I don't know about Kalahari much. No refinery. We'll go to the maze. I'm so curious to see about maze. Please.
Let's go to refinery. There'll be all many people will be there. Many.
No, but if we die, we only need a booyah, nothing else. It's my first duo actually. Kills. We only need a booyah. So no refinery. Kills doesn't matter. The refinery is not the place. By the way, your cat is cute. What is it?
Veda, just press on relinquish button. I will be the jump master.
Your cat is so cute. I'm trying to be a friend with your cat. Hello. Stop teleporting.
What is your friend? Oh, if it would be your previous account, maybe you would also get that puppy.
Yeah, I had a cat.
I'm going to get one more puppy if I go one more level extra.
You will get
another good night panther.
Huh? You guys are so lucky. I'm very unlucky because I lost my old account.
Even I lost my account.
No, I'm telling you, a recent account. You're the jump master. No refinery, except refinery anything, please.
Okay, just make me jump master.
I made you. Maze.
No, I'll see. Wait. Refinery is gone now. I'll go to command post.
Yeah, even I marked the map. What is the command post?
Don't know.
Wow. We both have default shoots. Default boards, default shoots, everything is default. Hey, this looks like some military base, which will have good guns.
Yeah, command post. No. That's a command.
Yeah, like a military thingy. And it's there in the military. Where are you going? It's right below us.
I know. How will I go right below us, Ray?
Yeah, just stop sprinting. Common sense, man. Common sense.
No, in this case, if we go, just to stop following. I'll go that side, you go this side.
What if we die?
No problem. We are just in the same thing, man. Just stop following. Don't learn.
I don't wanna die.
Why would you die? Or there are many people. Vedant, just be careful. Just take 1-2 guns and just be careful. I saw 3 people landing with us.
I can see one person.
Just see. Then if you have good scopic gun, if you are sure that you can kill him, then you just go kill him.
I shot him.
Okay. Single shot will not work.
But I don't have protection on me. Any protection.
Even I have a backpack.
I have a UMP right now. There's a person behind you.
Behind me.
He's in front of me. Save me. I'm being shot.
I'm shooting the person behind you. Yeah, I knocked him.
There's a person, another person behind me. I knocked him. Headshot.
Hey, that does not have any good gun. I want a gun.
He has just an MP5.
That is also enough for me.
I need SMG ammo.
I'm searching for a gun here. I'm dying. You told me command post. There are good guns here, but there are many people here. I'm sure we'll die.
We won't. Don't worry.
See, I saw 8 people landing now. Oh no, I want to.
It's fine. We will defend ourselves. We are not weak people. We are strong guys. And as a team,
I want loot. Okay. I have damn no loot. Yeah. I have like in total I have some 50 bullets including all the guns.
As if I have good guns. I have an XM8 and a UMP.
Even I just exchanged the MP5 with an XM8.
I have a
vest. I have M4A1 maybe. M4A1 legendary.
What is an M4A1? Can you show me how does an M4A1 look?
Go in Google and search. I want SMG ammo. I found a P90.
I need shotgun ammo. I found a Spas 12.
See, that is waste.
That's a good gun.
Spas 12 has damn 10-20 bullets.
I have my Spas 12 has 48 bullets. I can see one person.
Just go shoot him. If you want an XM8, come here.
On the map, but I can't see him actually.
Dumb guy, never follow the map. Map will tell you that he's right behind you, but it will be right ahead of you.
He's in front of me.
Damn.
He is in front of me.
I have an M4. Hey, I found top loot. I found top loot here. M60, you want M60?
No. Just left one. There's a person. I knocked him.
Car you want? Car.
I knocked one person. Who has
Why
a
don't you want a scar?
No, you want a P90?
Oh, we have a P90.
Ah.
See, come here. You wanted to see how a M4A1 looks.
Where?
Hey, where are you going? I was coming to you. Come. See, it is in my hands.
Oh, that one. I forgot the name only. You have a backpack level 2. I have a backpack level 3.
I want one backpack. My backpack is almost full.
My backpack is also almost full. It's filled with medkits, ammo, and all that garbage.
I have one medikit I have.
I'm just searching for this ammo, shotgun. Just grabbing as much as
SMG.
just grabbing as much as shotgun ammo as I want.
You want SMG ammo?
No, I exceed my SMG with a Spas 12.
So do you want SMG ammo or SG ammo?
No, don't worry. I have 86 SG ammo, which is way enough. Come.
Hey, come here, Vedant, come here. I'll give you a free kill. Person is a noob, okay. You came late. She gave me one headshot, so I just killed her.
You have full health. I don't have full health.
Because she put a scope and was waiting for me.
Oh, there's a magazine level 2 here. I just stole everything. Sorry. Will there be a AWM?
Why are you going to a sniping tower, man?
If there is a AWM kind of sniper here.
You won't have an AWM over here. Hey, there is an AWM. Crazy.
Huh? That's a VSS.
Oh, that's a VSS. It looked like an AWM.
Not at all.
From Apre, I didn't go in front of.
For the shield gun? No, I didn't. Actually, I'm in search of shield gun actually.
What is a shield gun, Ray?
It's a gun. When you shoot now, there'll be a shield in front of you. Very rare.
Thompson.
There's a person. I can see him. I could see him.
In the map, huh?
No, in front of me. I'm shooting him. I'm shooting him.
Kill him. I don't care also.
He doesn't yet care. He doesn't yet know I'm right behind him. Just following him.
I'm telling now that there are good news here.
Actually, these guys are nuts.
You are also like that to them. That's why you don't move only. They just come here where there are big noobs. There I'm going off. Enough of taking the loot. I have full loot. Enough.
Same.
Only
medkits I'm taking.
I have damn 6 medkits. I won't need those medkits.
I have 5 medkits.
Just follow me. I found another easy chuttu. AWM.
And I killed him.
You killed him, huh?
Yeah.
My backpack is full. Shit.
He doesn't have anything. Did you see somebody?
Hey, come here, Ray. Not there. You have to kill a guy here.
I'm running behind you. Have a Spas 12 with me. I'm gonna shotgun him to death. Person
I
died.
don't know. I feel that I'm getting scared now.
What?
Maybe he'll come and shoot me and I'll die.
Actually, and I have the same feeling, but don't worry. Because I don't have cover, that's why I'm feeling like that. Should I summon an airdrop?
I have a bonfire, man, and I have only 5 HP less. So I am thinking, what is the use of the bonfire?
Same here.
Wait, let's go to refinery now.
Let's go.
Command post is in the middle.
Where should we go? Refinery or what?
Just stay here. That is the best thing we can do. There's a guy right in front of me.
Saw him,
She saw me and she's running away. Big noob.
You shot her.
I killed her.
Everyone noobs. All noobs only here. But only run away from those with cars.
Yeah.
Because they can, whether they're noobs or pros, they can roadkill us.
No, maybe if they don't know how to go.
Yeah.
You want an AK?
No.
MP40,
No.
M500.
I don't want any gun. I'm happy with my guns. With my great loadout.
Hey, there's a guy right in front of me.
Where? Where?
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Trying to kill the car, or just just wait, I'll come. I won't shoot, pakka.
You want to drive, I know.
No, if you enter.
Huh?
You just do enter. I'll drive. Yeah.
There's a person in a car. There's a person in a car. Ow, I'm shot. Ow, I got shot. Road kill that
Where is
guy.
that guy?
In front of you. Good.
Drive.
There's another person. Killed her. Hey, don't go away. I saw a person with a car. I might die anytime.
Then just come now.
I can see one person with a car. He's coming towards me.
Come get in this car.
I'm trying to shoot at him.
Just get into this car.
Yeah, I blew up his car. The guy's gonna come out. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot you. I killed him.
I did 2 road kills already. Only 4 alive. That means only one more duo is alive. Just come into the car very quickly or you'll die. Please come.
1 second. I need to.
If you die, then I can't do anything. Just come into this car quickly.
I have
Please,
6 kills. How many kills do you have?
4, 5.
5. Well, not bad. Let's just kill everybody who comes in our way. 2 duos. If there are 2 guys in a duo now, then we it's like 1v1. It's 2v2. And we're gonna kill them. We need a booyah. Let me
Even I won't get anything.
let me guess where they are. They are mostly in
Just check the map. I'm not seeing the map. I'm just driving like that. Oh, they'll be in command post.
yeah, they'll be in command post because the zone is coming there. Stay in the zone. Whatever you do, dash them.
Just keep seeing if you find.
I'm seeing. I'm taking cover. I'm handling the environment, like the surroundings. This is gonna mess with me.
It's just romance.
You saw somebody?
Oh no! Oh, lucky. I thought the car would break.
Do you mean blow up?
Okay, let's be on this road. This road never ends. I mean, if you want to go to the command post.
And if you follow this road, we'll go into the zone and we'll die. I can see 2 guys. I can see the squad behind. He has an AWM. Careful.
Of course he won't.
No, a Dragonov. Dragonov also.
Fair.
In the command squad. Hey, should we get out of the car and kill them?
If you want to go, you go.
I can see them.
I killed one.
I'm knocked. You can do it.
See, I had a katana in my hand. Shit.
Dumbbell. We were this close to winning.
I'm pressing on that shoot button. I had a damn katana in my hand. Too.
Why? We were this close of winning for the first time in Kalahari. Let me collect all my bounties once again. I'm using. Yep, let's start. Adrit, get ready. If only you
FIFA.
Huh? Yep. You must win this. What happened?
No, Kalahari. I don't have that much time. Put a class squad. I'll play and I'll leave.
Okay, last. Unsupported. We need to go to squad and do class squad. Understood? Oh my gosh. Team invitation. Get in, boy. Get in, boy. We're ready for you. What's the new rifle I just used? Up, come in. You're ready. I never used a jeep, a tuk-tuk, and a bike in this account. Can't believe it.
What?
I never used a bike. Sorry, I forgot to put class squad. Can I play ranked? Get ready once.
Oh, we can play.
We can play ranked. We can play ranked. I just came to level 5, right? It's 5. How many people are we there? We are 4, they are 3. Average, we can do this. Look at me. So what's the point of running?
You're a damn dumb idiot.
Why?
Vedant, you told me before.
Follow me. I can see one person. What is this disturbance? I shot him. Let's see.
They're big noobs because you came now. Everybody will be a bronze one. Oh, he knocked me. Just revive me, na.
I'm going to get knocked myself. I'm dealing so much damage to this guy. I'm coming towards you.
He's gonna be.
Brit, where are you?
लड़के अरे फारियान revive me फारियान
I'm knocked. It's okay.
अरे this person is going crazy.
It's okay. We are dead. We are gonna lose this. Unless this Farian. Oh my gosh. This guy killed all the 4. Very good, boy. Nice. Well played.
Everybody is gold and silver, only you are. So, Vedant, buy glue walls. Don't buy any gun.
Huh? What? I'm buying 4 glue walls.
Huh?
Buying 4 glue walls and AN94. Done. 3 glue walls.
I'm buying a deagle. Only deagle I have. I am believing in you that you have bought glue walls and follow me very fast.
You follow me. I was so ahead. Because of you. Come on.
I told you I won't take any guns. I didn't take it.
Oh, why am I so mad? We need to get up quick.
I'm covering this place. Get lost. Don't come up.
I'm coming up. I'm almost up. Yep, I'm up.
Why did you come from that side?
By mistake. Kept a glue wall.
Don't put glue walls. You don't put. You'll put out Teda Meda glue wall.
I kept a glue wall. It's fine.
Over there. Did you put a glue wall back down there? You didn't put any glue wall down. Okay.
Should
No
I put
problem.
it?
I'll put it later on. Shit, I fell down. Oh no, I fell down.
You can still come up from here. Then I fell down.
Me.
Shit. The zone is coming in.
Let the zone come.
I'm getting shot. I'm stuck. No.
Hey, where did you go?
I fell down.
Dear,
Technical
you are-
difficulties.
I fell down, but I managed to come up at least. You came now.
He came up. I'm being shot. I knocked him.
I'm hitting him. You knocked him. There's
Headshot.
somebody else also coming up. Be careful. He shot the whole blue wall down. Come here, Vedant. Before he shot me.
1 second. I need
Vedant,
to-
shoot him. Yeah, don't
Where was
be careful
he?
you are.
I thought it was you.
I told you be careful. You're dreaming like a medkit taker.
Yeah, that's what I was doing actually.
Why did you take my shit?
I have one glue wall and a Tommy gun. Hey,
I don't know anything.
I almost killed one person. Why are you shooting in the air, dumb one?
It's okay, this lady is there. This lady went off now. She was the person who made us get victory in the last match, and she went off.
Come on, why? She went offline. Ow! I got shot badly. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. I need to heal up. I'm almost dead.
Just revive.
I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. I want to heal up. Where are you?
I can't revive.
Where is the revive button? Yep.
Don't you never even revived anybody.
No, I couldn't find it. This is a new account.
Such a pattar dil.
Come, follow me. Wow.
Not follow me. Those people are big pros. They'll kill us.
3 versus 3. It's equal. Yeah, 4 versus 3. Damn it. Robber, we are outnumbered. They are double of us. There are double kills. There are double. There are double. These guys are double of us.
Yes, I'm Vedant. Just be there. Can you see them?
I could see
There's a
them.
girl right here.
I could
She's
see
coming
them.
that
About
side.
to shoot
Go
her.
that side. Go that side.
Ow! 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 I'm not able to move. I don't know why. This is covered
If
here.
you sleep, it'll be like that only. Somebody knocked me. Just
Ow!
revive
I'm
me.
about
Death.
to
You couldn't revive also.
I was reviving you. This guy shot me.
Yeah, just. Actually, this game. No. Let's play. It's fun.
M187
It's just fun.
and
Like,
M60.
it's okay. Anyways, I'm gonna lose this game. And this Farian person went offlane, or else maybe you will win. Go player.
I have an M187 and this thing. This guy's skin is good. No, it's like it's the Scapon, some new skin in the arena. I guess it's like a weird Japanese skin. Stick with me.
There you go. Boom, paka. They're all noobs.
I have an
Come on,
M187.
guys, from here.
I can see
Come
I
on.
can see the guys. I can see the guys. See the guys. I'm crouching.
Where is
One
he?
person is in my skin. He's actually trying to shoot us. While we are
Hey,
behind.
don't push me.
Ah, the guy knocked also.
Huh?
Ow! From behind a person knocked me. Anyhow, we lost. We lost this match anyhow. We're gonna lose this
Match is
anyhow.
done. Just exit. I'm exiting. Bye. Vedant,
Bye.
that's it for the day. I'll play tomorrow again. Bye.
If I'm also leaving the match. Tata. Exit the lobby. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.